Hi everyone, it's Andrea from Lightly Sketched, and today my daughters Chloe and Chanel will be showing you how to create these mesmerizing DIY glow stick jars. And I'll be sharing with you how to turn this cool activity into a mindful moment for your kids. Let's get started. For today's magical glow stick jars, you'll need jars. We used 2-cup mason jars, glow sticks. We used 3 of the thin necklaces of the same color in each jar, iridescent glitter, which we like to call pixie dust, scissors. You can also use rubber gloves and a piece of paper or plastic to cover your workspace if you'd like. By the way, we'd really appreciate your support, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Step 1. Activate your glow sticks. Bend or snap your glow sticks and shake them vigorously to ensure that they are fully activated. Step 2. Cut your glow sticks. Step 3. Pour the liquid out of your glow sticks. Depending on the type of glow stick you use, the liquid might pour out easily. But if it doesn't, just put the open end of your glow stick inside of your mason jar and wave it around until it's empty. Step 4. Add glitter. Every fairy glow jar needs some pixie dust. Add a generous amount of iridescent glitter to your mason jars. Step 5. Shake. Give your fairy glow jar a good shake to mix the glitter and glow stick liquid. I am a huge advocate for mindfulness both at home and in the classroom. As your child holds their fairy glow stick jar, you can simply ask them to pay attention to or focus on the movement of the liquid in the jar. You can prompt them with questions such as, does the liquid move fast or slow? Then they can explore whether the liquid makes a sound as it moves through the jar and describe whether the jar is heavy or light, rough or smooth. It's literally that simple. As you ask probing questions, your kids will probably chime in with their own observations. Engaging them in a conversation about what they are seeing, feeling, hearing, etc., while observing their fairy glow jar can provide them with a few mindful moments. Hopefully, creating these fairy glow stick jars will add a little magic to your day. If you're looking for meaningful art activities for your kids or students that will help support their mental health, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our video tutorials. Thanks for watching!